Hey guys, welcome back to the channel 1-2 Steps. So in this video, I am going to show you how to make Viber stickers in few seconds. So it's very simple. First of all, you need Viber app in your mobile to make stickers. So if you don't have Viber app, then go to Play Store and download it from there. If you are using iOS, then go to App Store and download it from there. So here I have already downloaded my Viber app in my mobile. So just click on the Viber app. So after that, you can select any contact that you make a sticker. So I'm going to my notes here and just click on the message and tap on the smiley sign, which is in the message besides. So here you can see the stickers, but you have to make your own. So just click on the plus sign, which is in the right side. So here you can see the options. So just click on the middle one, which is create stickers. Right after that, you can click on the plus sign, which is you have to just export your picture from the gallery to make a stickers. So you can just select a photo from your gallery to make a sticker. So here I'm choosing this one to make a sticker. You can just text here anything and just doodle here like this, and also add a stickers you want to. And the final step is save sticker. So the sticker is saved in your gallery here. So you can just create a pack name sticker and write the description or make it public by clicking on this sign and yes, and create a pack. So in this way, you can just make Viber stickers in few seconds. Thanks for watching the video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe the channel and do not forget to hit the like button. Thank you.